Alright guys, so let's we'll be using Mises. The browser, the name of the browser is Mises. It's kind of faster than Chrome. Chrome might be wasting our time, so let's use Mises, guys. This is it. Click on Mises, then you can download it if you don't have one. Then we'll search for Trader Casa. Traders Casa. Then we'll click on exactly this one. Let's see how it goes. This one. Alright. Then we sign in with Google. You can just sign in with Google, or you can just sign up if you don't have an account yet. So sign in with Google. That will be faster. Then on this our dashboard, you can use the dark mode if you like, but let's just stick with the light mode. Then click on this, the right corner, the upper right corner of the dashboard. Then you click on it, then you see this backtest here. Click on backtest. Then you go back. You see this is what I have before, but let's create a new account, a new session. Click on new session, then put the session name how to backtest with smartphone. Then your balance, you can just leave $1,000 there. Then the select pair, you can select any pair you want, but let's use gold. Yeah, let's use gold. Then pick date, we can just pick September 1st. Then you can put a description, or you can just say click on save straight, so we'll not waste time. Alright, so we can actually change this to a desktop mode so that we'll be able to click on the play button. Alright, so look at this now. This is a play button, so we'll click on it so that we can go ahead click on the play button. Then now this is on its 5 minutes time frame. Take my tool and mark here out. I'll be taking a buy around here. And then this is my buy position tool, the long position tool. I'm gonna set it around here. Set it around there, and we open the price we buy out around here. So let's play and see how it goes. Then I can increase this here to increase the speed of how the price plays out. So I click on play icon here. So wait for price to get there, then we'll take a buy. Alright, let's take a buy now. Price has hit us now. Tap us in now. Let's take it. Now scroll here and click on open position. So click on open position, then you click on buy, set it on buy market, then the market entry price, then set your TP to be 3448.50. Then SL will be 34322.45. Now we click on save. Okay, I think it should be 3432.45. Then you click on save. Now we can actually play now and see how it goes. So guys, so that's what we have, guys. So that's how you backtest with your smartphone. Then then you can go back, check your price. You see that your profit has been included. Let's go ahead and change it to desktop mode so that we can see it all clearly. So now you can actually play back and continue back testing, and it will just be increasing, and if you take a loss, it also reduce. So let me know what you think about this video. If this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching to the end.